Hello everyone. In this video we have a past CAT question from boats and streams. The question is, at his usual rowing rate, Rahul can travel 12 miles downstream in a certain river in 6 hours less than it takes him to travel the same distance upstream. But if he could double his usual rowing rate for this 24 miles round trip, the downstream 12 miles would then take only 1 hour less than the upstream 12 miles. What is the speed of the current in miles per hour? So I hope you are aware of the terms downstream, upstream, speed of the current, this rowing rate. What is rowing rate? It is nothing but the speed of boat. What is speed of the current? It is nothing but the speed of stream. Downstream means when boat and the stream are flowing in the same direction. Upstream is when boat and the stream they are going in opposite directions. So downstream speed is, since both are going in the same direction, so speed will be added. This is about downstream. Okay, so if boat is going by speed b, stream is flowing by speed s, so speed downstream becomes b plus s. And when we talk about upstream, that means if the stream is flowing in this direction, boat will go in this direction. So speed in this case becomes b minus s. Okay, why do we always take b minus s? Because for the boat to travel in this direction, if it has to move in this direction, b must be greater than s. Okay, so that is why we take b minus s. Now let us solve this question. So we have been given that Rahul can travel 12 miles downstream in a certain river in 6 hours lesser than it takes him to travel the same distance upstream. So that means he is traveling 12 miles downstream, 12 miles upstream, and to travel 12 miles downstream he takes 6 hours lesser than 12 miles upstream. Okay, so upstream time will be 12 upon b minus s minus the downstream time, which is 12 upon b plus s. The difference is 6. Okay, the b here, it is the rowing speed. Okay, rowing speed of the boat, and s is the speed of stream. So this is what we have. After that, if he could double his usual rowing rate, so now we are doubling b. Okay, for this 24 miles round trip, the downstream 12 miles would then take only 1 hour lesser than the upstream 12 miles. So now if you want to write down the equation, we can write downstream is taking 1 hour lesser than upstream. So upstream will be 12 upon 2b minus s now, because b has doubled, minus 12 upon 2b plus s. Okay, this will be 1. So we have two equations now. We want to find out the speed of current, that means the value of s. So how to do this? See, if I simplify this equation over here, I'll be getting 6 times b square minus s square will be equal to 12 times b plus s minus b minus s, that means 2s. Okay, this is my first equation upon simplifying. When I simplify this, I'll be getting 4b square minus s square, that will be equal to 12 times s minus s, that means 2s over here. Okay, so these are the two equations that I get. Now I can see that in RHS for both the equations I have 24s, so I can equate their LHS. Okay, so I'll be equating 6b square minus 6s square, that will be equal to 4b square minus s square. So from here I'll be getting 2b square equal to 5s square. Okay, I want to find out the value of s, right? So in the equations that I have, I will put s in place of b. So the relation between b and s is over here. If I use this equation number 2 over here, what I can do is, I have 4b square, okay, and here I have 2b square. So 4b square upon multiplying this equation by 2, I'll be getting 10s square. Okay, so in place of this 4b square, I can put 10s square. So I'll be getting 10s square minus s square will be equal to 24s. Okay, which will give me 9s square equal to 24s. Okay, s will be equal to 24 by 9, which will give me 8 by 3. Option D will be my correct answer. So that's how we can solve this question. This was not very tough. I hope the explanation was understood. If you still have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.